Fred with Lead Balls 44, and we're here with a new 516 SIG pistol with an arm support, is what we're going to show you today. Has a gas piston driven system, no gas impingement. It does not where it eats. This is the new SIG arm brace. This is not a stock, this is a pistol. Hold it up there. Yep. Just like that. That is an arm brace, not a stock. SIG 516 pistol with arm support. No problems whatsoever firing this brand new out of the box. Extremely high quality piece of equipment, and it's going to be one of the best things that SIG has come out with. Everything today is going away from gas impingement, and we're trying to get away from anything at gas impingement. It displaces gas right here. Any excess gas or debris goes into your magazine. This gun does not do that, so this gun does not where it eats. All the gas and the exchange is up here in the front. And this is a fully adjustable gas system. So with the suppressor on the front, you can turn this down to get less or turn this all the way up. You can get this gas system to cut the gun off so it doesn't cycle, so you don't get a bolt sound when you fire your suppressor, which is going to be extremely valuable. They'll hear nothing but ka-thunk.
Safety's on.